Alright, everybody, welcome back. Welcome back, all my crazies out there. And this is the Bomb Squad playing Desperate Escape.
Alright.
Still in black and white. I'm not fixing it. I'm going with it. I don't give a shit. You better be.
You're Sheva, right? Yes.
Funny, that's not what you were wearing when we had this conversation before.
God, I was still aware.
Throwing that out there, bitch.
It's so nice. Thank you.
Aww. Isn't this touching? You're a dick.
I'm gonna be alright.
Yes, this is true. I am a dick. Fine with it too.
You have to. This is your only chance. If Wesker succeeds,
This is your destiny. To stop Wesker and doing the bad things that he does. You don't want to, you are blouse getting out there. You don't. My name's Jill. I have blonde hair now. I'm not having nothing. I have a thing on my chest.
Before it's too late.
Oh no.
Don't you trust your partner?
Shiva is my partner, by the way. Look at my well-defined jawline. Let's go fuck this shit up. But like the veteran patch on my veteran vest says, I'm here to fuck shit up. True story, it actually says that. I love my veteran's biker vest.
We hope to survive this.
Oh god. No. For me. What the hell do I do from here? Uh-oh. You died. What? This is bullshit. Well, that was quick.
Can you hear me? Are you alright? Are you alright?
Maybe. My chest looks like shit.
Good. You are awake.
You're too black to be Chris.
Wait a minute. You are Jill Valentine.
How do you know?
How? Who are you?
Billy Blanks.
Captain Josh Stone, BSAA West Africa branch.
Bah.
I've got to say, I never thought that I would get the chance to meet you.
Thanks. So what are you doing here?
I'm looking for my comrades Sheva and Chris. Have you seen them?
Yeah, I just told him to get the fuck out.
Going after Wesker. He's on some tanker.
I saw one anchor offshore. Do you know where they are headed?
Yeah.
To a volcano.
Left. It's too late to get to it now.
It's never too late. I got a helicopter waiting and I'm going after Sheva.
Yeah.
You got room for one more?
There's always room for a beautiful lady.
Whoa, how about you,
Say that to all the girls.
Just the pretty ones. Come on.
Can we stop this bullshit? Like, the world's about to be fucked, like royally fucked, and you guys are flirting? I'm sorry. Cut it the fuck out. Just saying, I'm just saying. There's a time and a place for flirtatious games. This is not one of them. What is this? Come to find out, this is the first time I ever played with a filter on. Tits.
The helicopter's waiting on the other side of this mountain. Hurry! Shiva needs our help.
Got it.
Alright, so what difficulty are you going to be playing it on when you go through the lightning bonus round? Veteran. I did it on normal. Now I'm going to do it. Now I'm going to have it in front of, ammunition and shit like that. I'm going to have it on veteran mode. Mine. Oh shit. Find a key. Oh god damn, get the fuck away from me. There's a key up in this office. I bet. Sure. I'm so good at this. Oh shit! Let's go, Josh. We out. Yeah, oh, we got this.
Just wait here.
A little busy right now. Shit, yeah.
I owe you one.
You damn right you do. That's one way of putting
It
it.
wasn't until you interrupted, Joker. I'm headed to your position, and I'm bringing you later.
Damn right.
Show some respect. This is Jill Valentine, your
Sorry you had to get checked out by that meathead. I'm here for you if you need to talk to her.
Of course. Fuck you, bitch. Oh man, damn it. That was not my fault. That was not my fault. That was Josh's fault. That prick.
I was until you interrupted, Joker. I'm headed to your position, and I'm bringing you later.
I don't remember picking up women being part of the mission. Did you cute?
Yeah, she is.
Show some respect. This is Jill Valentine you're talking about.
Valentine! Sorry you had to get checked out by that meathead. I'm here for you if you need to talk to her real man.
I'll cover you. Just watch your back.
Oh, god damn it. Son of a bitch. Okay. Alright, so we're 1-1. Everybody, we're going to stop the episode right there. 10 minutes is up. Thank you for joining me. Come back next time. You're going to see me hopefully try to beat this Desperate Escape bit so I can finally just do a lightning bonus round and just obliterate the fuck. So everybody, thank you for joining me. Come back next time. Until then, take care now. Bye-bye then. Stay classy.